Gonna do a quick review on Hall's Susan Weeds cooling flavor meter. And this for sore oats and cough medicine. Causes spread on bread when it comes to cold, soft, sore throats. I've used bread before. I don't have it all right now, but yeah, somebody got that too. Okay, but that's pretty good. Pretty good old brand. You get sore throat, coughing a lot. This is what they look like. Standard size cough drop. Got a nice fresh minty taste to it. It helps your sore throat and helps cut back on your coughing. This is the 30 drop packet. 30 cough drop packet right here. Rite Aid add-on special. Alright, we got them. Yeah, it's pretty good little medicine. You got sore oats or cough a lot. It's all Susan Weeds cooling flavor mint.